In Massachusetts, Governor Charlie Baker has released new details on college and public school testing.
The Bay State is asking colleges and universities to make testing available to all students planning to leave campus for Thanksgiving within 72 hours of their departure. If a student tests positive, they should isolate in university housing for COVID-19 positive students. In elementary and secondary schools, a new COVID-19 testing program will kick off in early December in 134 school districts. These are free rapid tests. Governor Baker also asking residents to be smart this Thanksgiving.
Today, we're urging everybody to make a difficult choice this Thanksgiving. If we treat this year just like we treat every other Thanksgiving, it's quite likely that it will trigger a significant spread. And we know that that leads to serious illness for many, and in rare cases, death, especially among our senior citizens.
Right now, we are still waiting for updated COVID numbers from Massachusetts. Yesterday, the state saw more than 2,200 new positive cases of COVID and 20 new deaths.
12 News reporter Logan Wilber is in Fall River with the details on the testing taking place in southeastern Massachusetts. Logan?
With coronavirus cases on the rise, the demand for testing in southeastern Massachusetts is increasing. And for some areas, that could mean new testing sites coming soon. Lines of cars and long waits are seen at drive-through testing sites in southeastern Massachusetts.
The demand is probably the highest it's ever been.
We've had a few long waits, but again, if we can open up a few more sites, we're going to try to work on that a little bit later today.
Cities like New Bedford and Fall River remain classified as high risk by the Department of Public Health as case numbers continue to climb.
I see a steady swell going up. The numbers are really jumping.
In general, we're looking at the percentage of positive rates of those who test, and those are going up.
CEO of the Greater New Bedford Community Center, Cheryl Bartlett, says the positivity rate is a fraction of what it was, but says increased testing capacity isn't the reason for the high case numbers. The increased testing in Bristol County is part of the state's Stop the Spread free testing program.
4 different providers trying to cover different locations and make testing easily accessible.
360 Free. One Stop the Spread testing site in Fall River was not easily accessible on Wednesday as cold temperatures and winds forced the site to close early. Workers at the site say nearly 200 tests were administered this morning. The city's mayor, Paul Coogan, says today's closure isn't going to be an issue moving forward as the demand for testing continues.
We have a handle on it, and we have a lot of testing sites like this going on in the city right now. We're trying to get a few more set up.
In Fairhaven, the town rec center is closed today after an employee tested positive. It is believed to be an isolated incident, and the rec center is scheduled to be open tomorrow during its normal hours. Reporting in Fall River, Logan Wilber, 12 News.